What's up, everyone? Welcome to the 5th HelloFresh with me video. Today we'll be cooking one pot chicken sausage and chickpea soup. They call it one pot because that's all you need. You just need one pot. And stick around for the end of the video to get some free codes for HelloFresh if you like what you see. All right, so now to start with our ingredients, we have some chicken sausage. And these are chicken stock concentrates, 1 onion, a can of chickpeas, some Italian seasoning, tomato paste, and some spinach. All right, so now you're gonna want to dice up your onion. Here's how I do it. This is how I learned through Chef Donnie on YouTube. Shout out Chef Donnie. Great YouTube to watch. Highly recommend his channel. But what you do is you basically cut the onion in half, make sure the stem side's on one half and the tip is on the other, and then you start slicing into the onion like it's a clock around the sides. And then once you're done slicing in it, going through, you can kind of dictate how wide you want your pieces to be, and then you just go through and it all cuts off nice and easy, just like that. So satisfying. And then you just go around the edges at the end, nice and easy, and then you do the other side. Gotta love it. I'll be honest with you, cutting onions, whenever I have a recipe from HelloFresh with onions, it's like one of my favorite things to do. If I could just cut onions all the time, that I don't know why, but it's a lot of fun. Especially when you do it like this. It comes out perfect every time. All right, now we're gonna cook the chicken sausage. Start by turning your pan to medium-high heat. Throw some olive oil or whatever type of oil you got in there, and then start breaking it up into some pieces. Whatever size you want to do is completely up to you. It's going to be in a soup form, so personally I like them a little bit smaller, but it's completely up to you. Then I like to season my chicken sausage with my favorite seasoning, adobo, and then you're going to let it sit, you're going to let it cook, you're going to stir it up, and you're going to get the chicken sausage ready to go. You're going to cook it all the way through here, around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so now once your chicken sausage is cooked through, you're going to throw in your onions, your diced onions. You only need to throw them in, leave the heat the same. You only need to throw them in for about 3 to 4 minutes until your onions are translucent. Once they're translucent, you are all set and you're ready to start to the next step. All right, now that my onions are translucent, I'm going to add the tomato paste and the Italian seasoning as well. All right, now you're going to want to add your soup base. The recipe calls for 2.5 cups of water. Personally, I used 2 cups of chicken stock concentrate, a half cup of water, and then I put the chickpeas in as well. Make sure you rinse your chickpeas once you take them out of the can, and then you can toss them in the soup. Also, you're also going to want to add your chicken stock concentrates here, and maybe even add some salt, add some pepper, taste it, see where it's at, and see how much you like it. All right, then you're gonna wanna mix it up, make sure everything gets nice and mixed. You're gonna cover it, let it simmer for around 7 minutes. And personally, what I did, this is completely optional, you don't have to do this. I like my soups a little creamy, so I add a little smidgen of butter, a little yin-yang of cream cheese, and a little splidgen of sour cream. So it has a little bit more creamy taste, has that white creamy look to it. That's how I like it. So then you just add your spinach at the end, you mix it all up, you let the spinach wilt, and then you pretty much got one of the best soups, something super healthy as well. Unless you're like me and you added that butter, cream cheese, sour cream. Trust me, either way, it's all worth it in the end. And here we go, some nice one-pot chicken sausage chickpea soup. This shit was amazing, and it's super good for the winter as well. So if you liked what you saw and you're interested in trying out HelloFresh for yourself, I have some free codes on the right there. There's also Good Chop on the left. If you use my codes, it will help me, and then also you will get a free box as well. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay positive.